What's up, everyone? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name's Maya.
If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah. I want it, I got it, I want it.
In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Poshmark. And before we get into it, I just want to give a quick thank you to Nikki D. Brady. She is the one that introduced me to Poshmark. She's the reason why this video is being made. She's the reason why I've made so much money. So, super grateful and thankful that she told me about it. So if you don't know, Poshmark is basically a huge reselling app. So you can sell anything from adult clothes, you know, men and women's. You could sell children clothes. You could sell shoes. You could sell bags. You could sell home decor. You could sell jewelry. You can sell probably just about anything. So to make an account is super easy. It is an app, but it's also just a regular internet web browser, which means you're gonna put in an email, a phone number, a password. You're probably gonna have to confirm your account. Also, the way you get your money is through PayPal, so make sure you have a active PayPal account so you can get your money easily. So to start selling, it is so simple. All you have to do is take pictures of your clothes, write a description, put a title, and post it on Poshmark. Now, that sounds super easy, and it is super easy, but there is some little tips and tricks that I want to tell you guys just to make it a little easier to sell your items. So first thing I want to mention is please do this because I'm about to save you hours and hours of your time. When you're taking pictures for your Poshmark, make sure that your camera is put in standard square form. I'm telling you, if you don't take your pictures in square form when you put them onto Poshmark, it's going to crop them, it's going to be awkward, and you're going to waste time because now you need to retake the pictures because no one's going to buy it if your picture's not good, and it's a whole plan that you got to think out. But I'm going to tell you right now, just take your pictures in square mode and it's going to be 10 times easier. Also, something super important is make sure that your title is descriptive and make sure that your description box accurately tells the item. If you've worn it before, put that in the description box. I promise you things are still going to sell. I've sold plenty of items that I've literally put a picture of me wearing it in the description of it. Also, in your title, you want to put exactly what it is. So don't just put pink shirt. You want to put Forever 21 cashmere pink shirt. You know what I mean? Just be very descriptive because 99.9% of Poshmark sales come from the search box. And when someone's going in a search box, they're not going to put in pink shirt. They're going to put in velvet pink shirt or chiffon pink shirt. You know, they're going to put in exactly what they're looking for. So make sure that your title accurately describes what it is. Another thing to mention is pricing and the money that Poshmark is going to take out of your sales. So super important to understand before you start Poshmark, just so you're not disappointed, is one. Poshmark is going to take a percentage of your earnings. So I believe if you sell something for $5 or less, you're not going to make any money. You're actually probably going to lose money. So don't sell things for $5. Sell them for $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, you know, whatever. Sell them above $5 and I promise you will make some money. Poshmark, I think, takes out $2.19 per transaction. The higher your thing is sold for, the more money that it's going to be taken out. For example, I sold a purse that I believe I sold for $90 and I think I got $78 out of it. So the more expensive you price your items, the more money that Poshmark is going to take out. It's a little annoying, but it's understandable. I mean, Poshmark is a company. They also need to make money just like you want to make money. Also, when you're pricing your items, it is so important to keep in mind that the person who is buying it from you, they have to pay a shipping fee. Plus, I believe there's a Poshmark fee, and I think that comes out to around $8. So whatever you're pricing your items, add $8 to it and ask yourself, would you buy this? You know, if I'm selling a shirt for $10, that means my person's actually buying it for $18. And even though it means that I'm making less, the real reason why I started Poshmark was to clear out my closet and I just want to get rid of all my clothes. I always keep that in mind when I'm pricing my items because I would never want the buyer to pay more or less than they should, or to be paying, you know, $8 on shipping and then $20 for a shirt that I got for 15 bucks. You know what I mean? So I'm just very fair with my shop, and I feel like that is what everyone should do because people know when you're being fake and people know when something did not cost that much money. So make sure you're always honest on Poshmark. So another quick tip that I have for you is just that people will find your closet. Now, I know it sounds insane, but before I started posting on Poshmark, I had already had one with no items listed, and I think I had gained about 2,000 followers, and I didn't even do anything. And that just proves to you that like Poshmark just pushes out accounts even without you posting anything, even without you doing any work for them. So imagine how many followers you get with doing work. When I was posting consistently, I believe I was gaining like 2,000-3,000 followers a day. Can this channel blow up like that, please? But the main point that I'm making is just that people will find your account, people will buy your things. Make sure you are sharing your items, make sure you're posting often, make sure you're liking other people, following other people. I mean, this isn't like Instagram when people, you know, care about follower to following ratio. Like, no one cares. Go follow 10,000 people and I bet you're gonna get 15,000 followers back on Poshmark. That's just how it works. So if you're thinking you shouldn't sell on Poshmark because you don't have followers or you don't have friends to buy from you, you don't need them. People are going to find it and you're going to make so much money. So another thing about Poshmark, which I know pushed me away for the longest just because I was like, I'm not dealing with shipping. I don't know, that's too much work. I don't even know what to do, you know, whatever. So I strayed away from Poshmark the longest because of that. But shipping is made so easy. So when someone buys your item, Poshmark is going to generate a packing slip for you, and all you have to do is print that out, put it on a box, put the clothes in the box, and ship it. It is literally that simple. You know, there's no you writing down the address, there's no you doing extra work. The most work that I do for this is taking the pictures and probably putting my items in the bag, which obviously is no work. So a great tip that I found out, which came from Nikki, she basically told me to order boxes off of UPS and they're free. So I ordered probably like 120 to 200 boxes, all for free. The only thing I've really paid for Poshmark is just the tape, and I believe tape is like $2 for a roll or $3. So I mean, it's really great. Another great thing is that you can just put your item in a mailbox or in the little, you know, blue mailboxes around town, and that's it. You don't even have to go to the post office. I choose to just because I like to know that it's there and it's shipped, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So this is something that I really love about Poshmark, just because shipping can be so difficult and this makes it so easy. So a few more tips that I have for you is that if you are going to start a Poshmark, make sure that you are sharing your closet at least 3 to 5 times a day. At least. At most, there's no at most. You want to share your closet as often as you can. When I say share my closet, which I'm going to show it on the screen, it's just basically pressing the reshare button and your items are going to be filtered again. So this means when someone looks up Forever 21, your items are going to come up first. Your items are going to pop up. Now, if you haven't shared your closet in a week, in a day, if you haven't shared it in the last hour, your clothes aren't going to be in that first section. And I mean, Poshmark is so different than shopping online. You know, when you shop online, you spend hours looking through the same site and looking over the same clothes, but I promise you on Poshmark, people are looking for specific things. They just want to get it and go. So make sure that you are sharing your closet because you want your items to come up first. You want people to buy them. I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't shared my closet in maybe like a couple days and I haven't made any sales, like no sales. However, when I was sharing my closet like 5 to 7 times a day, I was getting so many sales, like 4 or 5 sales a day. Like, sharing your closet is so important. So like I was just saying, some days are going to be so slow and other days are going to be so heavy with orders. But the days that are slow, just stay positive, you know, keep sharing your closet. I promise people are going to buy your thing. I don't think I've ever seen a Poshmark closet with 0 sales. Like, people are gonna buy your stuff. And before I end off this video, I just want to give you guys some little knowledge to leave with. And pretty much it's just the #1 way to be successful on Poshmark is to start it. It's literally that simple. I wish I could express to you guys, I wish I could have a better way of showing you how easy it is and how successful you can be on this app. I know people who have turned this into full-time jobs. Now, I don't plan on doing that at all anytime soon, but it's possible. The #1 way to be successful is to start. That is literally it. You can ask anyone who does Poshmark. It is not that hard, and I promise you are going to make sales. But I think that's going to bring me to the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I even more hope that you start doing Poshmark because it is so easy. Like, so simple. But if you have any questions, make sure you comment them down below. You could also DM me on Instagram. My socials will be right here on the screen. But yeah, that's going to be the end of it. Join Poshmark. It is great. Bye.